Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block all incoming chat in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open Dota 2 and then click on Settings, which is on the top left side of your screen, right here. And then go to the Socials tab, which is over here. And over here, you can see here allowed chat settings. Select the box next to no incoming chat, like so. And now you won't get any incoming chat in your games. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!